I am not an engineer. I am not a data scientist. I am just someone who's really curious about AI and our placement in the world with this and how it can be applied to our everyday lives. My name is Elle, and I work full-time in tech. But again, I am not an engineer. I'm not a data scientist. And Lord knows I do not build robots in my spare time, as much fun as that would be. I am a full-time working mom, and I am a wife. And I'm also someone who has very little spare time. So instead of spending hours taking courses or watching tutorials, I'm going to jump right in and I'm going to learn how this applies every single day. From my perspective, this channel is me learning and experimenting out loud as I go along. I will be using AI to solve real life problems, from something as simple as helping me optimize my calendar and my daily planning to something as complex as, hey, I want to build an agent for a very specific purpose. How does that happen? We'll do everything in between as well. If all I get out of this is simply finding a meal that works for everyone in my family, I'm going to call it a win. I will show you what works, what doesn't work, and how you can apply it to your life. The best part about this is there is going to be no computer science background required. It's going to be application for the rest of us. If you're curious about AI and what it can do for you, but you don't speak tech, this channel is for you. So let's get started together.